Okay, we're going to walk through a real-world playbook use case. So in this case, we have the concept of templates within our basic solutions in Marketplace. So instead of you having to build all the ingestion pipelines, we have pre-built templates for webhook data coming in from third-party tools or from cron job polls pulling data in. So in this case, this template's for a webhook. And the first component is a placeholder for me to be able to drop in whatever that third party tool may be. So we pre-build these ingestion components that are vendor specific. That way they're hot swappable using interfaces. So if I have a Splunk shop or I'm using CrowdStrike or whatever it may be, I simply just install that component from the Swimlane content library, and I now have that available as one of the interface types that I can swap this placeholder with. So from there, I can swap this out for CrowdStrike in this case here. And then what that component does is it converts from that third-party schema over to a standardized schema that is then used for all of the other downstream flows. So once that conversion happens, we can then just pass it into the next component, which does the deduplication of data. If the alert does happen to be unique, there is a component where we could extend the schema field. So if the subset of fields that are included in that CrowdStrike event don't include all the data elements you want, we can simply just extend that schema. And then in parallel, we're doing the linking of the KB articles. We're doing the automated enrichment of the ILCs and observables that were part of that CrowdStrike event, or whatever that source signal is. We're also performing the correlation to see have we seen this before. And then, of course, the final piece is creating that case within that case management solution, which we showcased earlier. So this is a high-level example of a top-level template playbook for ingesting any signal source via webhooks.